Well, today marks 3 days in a row now that we've had some record temperatures broken. So far for yesterday, though, these are yesterday's highs represented here in the orange, and then off to the right of that in the black is the old records. Casey, Charleston, Effingham, and Sullivan all broke records yesterday. 94 degrees here in Charleston, as well up in Casey, and then Effingham at 94 and Sullivan at 91. Old record was set in Casey back in 1897. So if that doesn't put in perspective, these are centuries old worth of data that we have here, and they're being broken here in 2019. But as we take a look at today's highs, it wasn't far off from that. We were at 93 down in Effingham as well as in Paris, pushing another record to be broken, but the record down in Effingham today was 95, so just fell just short of that. Here in Charleston, we were at 90 degrees and then 80s up in the northern portion of the viewing area, and the biggest difference is they received a bunch of rain this weekend. We're down here, we stayed fairly dry for the most part, might have gotten a spotted shower or two as the weekend progressed. So that was the biggest difference on why they haven't broken those records over the past 3 days. As we take a look at satellite radar, you can see we have continue with the clear sky, so plenty of sunshine left throughout the day. Most of the rain is going to remain off to the north today, just as radar is showing, and then it's picking up some ground clutter every now and then just above Christian County. So it's more sunshine is in the forecast, but for tonight we might have a shower move through in a couple hours. They're saying 6 p.m. right now, but it's going to continue to push that off just by another hour or so. So Futurecast is offset by an hour, but we do have a cold front that's going to push through the viewing area around 2 a.m. This is going to help decrease temperatures, and this is a chain of low. So majority of this rain is heavy, but off to the north, Champaign and Vermilion County may catch some of that as that cold front continues to push off and that system makes its way east. But otherwise, it's going to be mostly cloudy. Again, maybe a shower or two up north, but here in Coles County, we're going to stay fairly dry. So as we look at this hour by hour wise with this cold front pushing through, it's going to be mostly cloudy by 10 p.m. and then we drop a degree per hour pretty much as this evening progresses, and then we stall right around the 7 degree as we head into 2 a.m. Where we could see that rain up to the north. I'm leaving that out of the forecast here for Charleston, though, as I expect us just to stay dry, mostly cloudy. Temperatures are going to still be at 69, so the cold front is going to make an impact this evening. Because of these conditions and today's high, those clouds are going to act as a blanket, allowing to keep the heat into the Earth's surface tonight, but the winds are going to be coming from the south, 5 to 10 miles per hour, which will also help those temperatures stay in the upper 60s as it's ushering in some warmer air. And also the Gulf it's ushering in some moisture from the Gulf, which is going to help support the rain that's off to the north. But come tomorrow, it's going to be clear skies, maybe a cloud or two as the day progresses, but come the evening, clear skies heading into the overnight hours. Friday, though, we could see a little bit more activity with the clouds than what we have seen the past couple days around 4 p.m. Some mostly cloudy up in Piatt County, but otherwise it's still going to be the sunshine for your Friday. Again, some cloud activity, but for the most part, that sunshine is going to be pretty dominant for the next 2 days. Starting off your Thursday, though, it's going to be 72 degrees under mostly cloudy. Again, that's going to continue to break down, leaving us with partly cloudy as we top out at 76 degrees. And then that cold front, you can start to see those temperatures 66 degrees under partly cloudy skies. And as we take a look at our average, you can see our average is 73 degrees. And we're above that for 1 day, and that's tomorrow at 76. That cold front moves through and is starting to make those temperatures below average. So it's kind of a difference, being above average, now being below average for the next 5 days. As we look at the 7-day forecast, the only chance of rain comes on Saturday, and plenty of sunshine is in the forecast, but also cooler temperatures.
Phil, those cooler temperatures are finally falling in.
Yeah, and it's just a little late for fall, but nonetheless, it's still coming. I'm really excited because I'm tired of these 90-degree temperatures.
I am too. Thank you, Phil.